Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black MB Tex interior with a natural grain oak wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Trailer hitch. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Brand new set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down 60/40 rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats, memory seats. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Multimedia package with navigation with voice command. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic select for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 25,427 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.